Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a power hour clean with me. This is what I do on the weekends when I just kind of take care of the mess that the week has brought so I can just start fresh the next week and do it all over again. It's my process. And if we could just ignore the weight I gained, that would be great. As you guys know with my update video, it's been a pretty stressful year and well, I put on some pounds, so I'm working on it to get them back off. So first I'm going to dust off like the wood, the dresser, and like the windowsills and all the wood stuff in the front room here with the Method Wood for Good cleaning solution. I don't know what it's called. And I'm using a microfiber towel that I got from Grove Collaborative. And then I'm just going to clean off the windows with a generic Windex, I'm pretty sure, and paper towel just to get them clean. And here I am just showing off my little proud painting I just did. So I'm just going to clean up the dining room table, clear off everything, clean it up with the same Method cleaner, and then reset my tablescape. And then I'm going to light a candle because it just feels so good when you have candles or aromatherapy, oils diffusing when you're cleaning. It just makes it better. This is Mrs. Meyer's cider candle. I really like it. And now to tackle the toys that are downstairs in the family room. You could see my little one there. He's relaxing. It's about his nap time. Usually I have the kids help me, but I think they were playing nicely that day, and that doesn't happen often, so I just kind of let them be. And I just picked up the mumble jumble mess of toys myself. Might notice that cute little black blob over to the left corner there. That's my new puppy. That's Nibbler. She's an adorable little French bulldog, and she's currently in her little playpen because she's naughty. She's a puppy, and when I can't directly watch her, she needs to be there in a puppy safe place. So here I am continuing with the massive loads of Legos, Play-Doh toys, just there's so much toys, and I told myself they're gonna keep their toys in their rooms. Haha, that didn't happen. They have toys in each of our living rooms. There's a little hand. That's my littlest person's hand. Pretty cute hand, huh? So I'm just going around tidying up the family room. I enlisted my daughter to take some dishes to the sink, so I made her do some work. So I'm just picking everything up so I can get ready to dust and then vacuum and just tidy the room up. And yes, smallest human is in only a diaper because he's stubborn and likes to strip, and he's stubborn and doesn't want to potty train yet, which is super frustrating. So send me tips and tricks. Help! SOS, this mommy is tired. Now to tackle the messiest place of all, the kitchen. Like, it's just, what is this? It's just a hot mess. This is real life, guys. So first thing when tackling a messy kitchen, I just like to tidy up, throw away things we don't need, put things in their right place, and then I go on to clean countertops, stove, dishes, and then vacuum the floors, you know. Get this place in order. And FYI, if you see this $10 bucket of slime at Target, do not buy it. It is the most terrible thing I have ever bought in my life. It has stained everything. It is so sticky. Worst purchase ever. Don't buy it. Another thing I like to do when I'm cleaning is use products that smell good and they just kind of make me happy to use. So I'm using the Caldrea countertop spray. It just smells amazing. I'm pretty sure this is the sea salt neroli scent. If I'm wrong, I will let you know, but I think I'm right. But it just smells lovely. It just makes cleaning a little bit better. I also use the same spray to clean off the cabinets because the cabinets are white, and then around the knobs they just tend to get dirty from little sticky fingers, and even my fingers, you know, I'm not completely guiltless here. So I just use this to clean everything, the counter, the stove, the cabinets, kind of like a great all-purpose thing. It's not really for like heavy duty cleaning, but if you're just doing a light cleaning, it does the job, and it smells amazing, so, you know, win. Have we picked up on a trend? I like smell good things. So now I'm filling up my diffuser. I'm just using the Simply Earth Energy Blend. It's just like a nice, like citrusy, uplifting kind of smell. Kind of getting me motivated to keep cleaning, especially to try and tackle all that dishes in the sink. Yuck. So when I unload the dishes, I kind of just make it easy on myself and make a little pile, and then I just kind of bring it over to the countertop on the opposite side where all the dishes are stored, you know, because it's kind of just makes it simple, and I'm lazy, to be honest. And then I could just move over to my little pile of clean dishes and put them into the cabinets. See? I have a system. It works for me. Cuteness in 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that baby! She's so cute. Oh, that's my little nibbler. I love her. She makes me happy. My baby. And then after all the dishes are done, I just squirt some dish soap into my sink and then scrub it down with a little scrubber. Both the dish soap and the little walnut scrubber from Grove Collaborative. I buy a lot of things off of there because it's easy, convenient, and it just ships right to me. So I don't even have to people that day. I don't have to adult. I can just let it be delivered. Easy peasy. Is there anything better than a nice sudsy sink? I don't know why, that's just so satisfying to me, and then I just rinse it off. It just brings me joy. I don't know why. It's weird that something about cleaning brings me joy, but here we are, and it's happening. And then I just use a paper towel around the edges just to get off any extra soap because I don't want to accidentally like flood my countertops, you know what I'm saying? And then there's a dog. Now I'm just tidying up the little coffee corner of my kitchen and just, you know, moving some of the magnets so it doesn't look so cluttered and just kind of wiping everything down. Like seriously, I'm sure everybody has a dump space, so mine happens to be the kitchen table because we have an enclosed kitchen and it just kind of tucked away that little table in there, so everything just gets dropped and forgot about there. Eventually I would like to knock down that wall and have an open kitchen so I won't have my dump place anymore, which is good. I just need to learn to put things away where they go. And then I don't have a big pile like this to clean up like once a week. How does it happen? I don't know, but it does. And I'm just using the vacuum here because I really don't have a tabletop. This is a fake tabletop on top of here because I'm doing a DIY farmhouse tabletop to this. So right now it's just cardboard and a sheet. It's so fancy, so I'm just using the vacuum to get off all the crumbs. Here I am showing you a pile of dirt and dust because my vacuum decided it was just going to open up on its own somehow and spill out. So now I'm just going to vacuum up the floors. Now it's time to tackle the little doggy playpen. This is where she goes when I can't watch her, like directly, like when I'm showering or vacuuming. Because, you know, she's a puppy. She literally chews on everything. And she's doing pretty good potty training, but occasionally she'll get a little bit mischievous and decide to go poop somewhere she's not supposed to. So this is just a nice little safe puppy proof area for her. So every week I just like to go up, pick up everything, vacuum, disinfect the floors with some disinfectant wipes, and refill her food and clean out her water bowl, you know. Take care of the puppy. I call this my lazy mopping. It's when I don't want to whip out the mop. I decide to just get some disinfectant wipes and I just fake mop. So, you know, I mean, whatever. It gets the job done. And here we are done with the power hour. Before editing, this did take me about an hour to do, so it really was a power hour. Just get everything tidied and picked up. We didn't do any kind of deep cleans, and we didn't mop the floors. We did the fake mopping for the doggy area, but you know, just to tidy up so that way if somebody decided to drop over, I wouldn't be completely embarrassed of my home. You know, that's what we were going for, and we accomplished it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I plan to do more because, I mean, hey, I always have to clean, so I might as well just film it for you guys. And I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. If you like this video, want more, thumbs it up. Let me know. Bye!